Hello everyone, here I have a quick and easy chicken fried rice recipe. This is about one chicken breast that I am sauteing here. It is seasoned with some onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, chicken bouillon, all-purpose season, a little thyme or rosemary. So after sauteing the chicken for about a few minutes, I go ahead and add finely chopped onion to saute a while for a few minutes before I'm going to add some colored pepper. I have some green, orange, and red bell peppers that I will allow to saute for about a minute or so. I will not allow it to cook right through because I want that lovely color to remain to give that fried rice a lovely look. So we don't want to allow it to overcook. We want it to still have a light crunch to it. So we are going to go ahead and continue to season up our chicken by adding a little ketchup. That's about a tablespoon of ketchup. And to this, I will also add about 2 tablespoons of sweet soy sauce. This will help to give our fried rice a little more flavor and a nice color. So once we've done this, we are going to go straight ahead and stir everything well. Here you can see we have a beautiful looking dish going on here. Our fried rice is coming on nicely. So to this fried rice dish, I'll be using some fresh cooked rice. You can go ahead and use fresh cooked rice, or if you have some rice stored away in your fridge, whatever you choose to do, your fried rice will come out really nice and delicious. So once you add your rice, you're going to stir everything well. Make sure all the rice is coated with that lovely sauce. And here we have a beautiful looking chicken fried rice, quick and easy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and try this recipe out like I always said, and drop a comment below. Let me know how did yours came